Now this is a very important question, a little bit lengthy but indeed an interesting one. Okay, so let's proceed it. Limit y approaches to 0, x plus y secant x plus y negative of x secant x upon y. Okay. Now to this what we can write it, limit y approaches to 0, x secant x plus y plus y secant x plus y minus x secant x upon y. Limit y approaches to 0. Now I am taking x common from this part and from the last part. Okay. So we are having x secant x plus y 1 negative of secant x plus y secant x plus y upon y. Is it clear? Now limit y approaches to 0, x 1 upon cos x plus y minus 1 upon cos x. One thing, okay, upon y plus limit y approaches to 0, y times secant x plus y upon y. Okay. So now best part is what? First of all we can cancel this one, and second thing, when we are putting y approaches to 0 we will be getting only secant x. Okay. Now this part, limit y approaches to 0, x, now cos x minus cos x plus y upon y with cos x plus y cos x plus secant x. Now remember, I have just put y approaches to 0 on this side. Okay. Now we are left with this part. Now limit y approaches to 0, now x, now this becomes 2 sin x plus y upon 2 sin y upon 2 upon y times. Now I can do one thing here. Okay, we can do in the next step. I can just write it 1 upon cos x plus y cos y plus secant x. Okay. Now to this what we can write it? Let me use this space. Now to this we can write it, limit y approaches to 0. Now for this part, first of all this is in the multiplication, so I am just writing x this side. Okay. Now this becomes 2 sin x plus y upon 2, one thing, upon 2 times y upon 2. Just for this part y, I have just taken 2 times y upon 2, that means 2 and 2 cancels, we are left with y itself. Okay. With sin y upon 2 with x upon cos x plus y cos x plus this secant x. Okay, so now this becomes limit y approaches to 0 2 sin x plus y upon 2 times limit y approaches to 0 sin y upon 2. Now this y upon 2 I have taken below this one into x upon cos x plus y cos x and plus this secant x, okay, that I have written here. Now let's substitute the value of y approaches to 0. So we are left with sin x. Now this 2 and 2 cancels, y approaches to 0, we are putting y here, y upon 2, 0 upon 2, that is 1, sorry, that is 0, so we are left with sin x, okay, one thing, times 1 sin y upon 2, limit x y approaches to 0 sin y upon 2 y upon 2, that is 1, times x upon cos square x, again I have put y 0 here, so we are left with 1 cos x and 1 cos x, that becomes cos square x, okay, plus secant x. Limit y approaches, sorry, y upon 2 approaches to 0 sin y upon 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so now we are having x tan x secant x plus secant x, or you can leave your answer here only, or you can write it secant x common x tan x plus 1. Answer.